In this video, we will learn how to extract and export any city level boundary in ArcGIS Pro using Google Earth Engine. We will be working in the Python notebook within ArcGIS Pro. Before starting, make sure you have configured your ArcGIS Pro Python environment, installed the Geemap plugin, and connected Google Earth Engine to ArcGIS Pro. If you haven't done that yet, check out my previous video. I will share the link in the comment section below. Watch that video first to learn how to connect Google Earth Engine with ArcGIS Pro. To write Python code in ArcGIS Pro, first go to Insert tab and click New Notebook. This opens a Jupyter Notebook environment inside ArcGIS Pro where you can write and run Python code directly. If you already have a Python notebook, you can simply open it here and execute the code. In this tutorial, we use a notebook from GitHub repository. I'll share the link in the comment section so you can easily download it and follow along. Now let's download the notebook. The notebook is downloaded. Let's close this notebook. Go to Catalog. Expand our download folder. This is the file that we have downloaded. Double click on it to open. We can remove this layer. In the first step, we import the necessary libraries. EE stands for Earth Engine, which allows us to access and process geospatial dataset from Google Earth Engine. And Geemap is a Python package that bridges Google Earth Engine with tools like Jupyter or ArcGIS Pro, letting us visualize and export data easily. And then this initialize command initializes the Earth Engine API. Let's run the cell. We create an interactive map object using geemap.map. This map will let us visualize our data directly within the notebook environment in ArcGIS Pro. Then we load the FAO GAUL 2015 dataset, which contains global administrative boundary up to level 2, that is district or city level. Each feature in this collection represents an administrative area which attributes like country and city names. In this step, we filter GAUL dataset to include only features where country name equals Austria. Then we extract all city names under that country and print them. The city names are printed. This one is used for Vienna. Now we filter again, this time to extract only the feature where city name equals Wien, which is Vienna in German. We add the Vienna boundary layer to our map and display it in red. This lets us visually confirm the city boundary in our interactive map. Then we calculate the centroid center point of the Vienna polygon and extract its longitude and latitude. Then we use those coordinates to center the map of Vienna with a zoom level of 10, giving us a closer view of the city. And finally, we display the interactive map. You will now see Vienna's boundary clearly marked on the screen inside ArcGIS Python notebook. The layer is also loaded to our map. If you go to map and zoom, we can see the Vienna boundary is loaded here also. Now we want to export the Vienna boundary as a shapefile. We first define the output directory as our downloads folder, then specify the name as vienna.ssp. Finally, we use geemap.ee export vector to export the boundary from Earth Engine to local computer. Let's run the code. The data is downloaded to our downloads folder. Go to map. Since this layer is coming from Google Earth Engine, if we try to export or change the symbology, we cannot do it. Let's remove it and go to catalog. And in our downloads folder, we can see the Vienna shapefile that we have exported from notebook. Let's bring it to our project. This is a shapefile. We can export or change the symbology now easily. And if we want, we can also turn on the labels. Let's turn off the base maps. In this tutorial, you learned how to access and filter global administrative boundary from Google Earth Engine and display them on an interactive map inside ArcGIS Pro, and export the city boundaries as shapefile for local use. Thanks for watching.